What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to do a little update on how my conversion kit's coming along. I just got some of the conversion components that came in the mail. It's taken quite some time to get here, but I'll show you that. Show you some of the parts that came in throughout this video as well. I'm gonna put on an aftermarket steering wheel today. I'll show you guys the installation process. So with the Scion FRS, it comes with a clock spring. Alright, so the FRS, it comes with a clock spring for the airbag and whatnot. I'm not too worried about that. I just deleted it because it's hard to find any hub adapter that works with all the wiring and all that. So a couple weeks ago I ordered a hub and I ordered the wrong one. I'll show you. It was frustrating because online on Amazon it said that it was for an FRS, but the splines clearly don't line up. So I purchased the right one. This one here goes on nice. So I'm going to fast forward here. I'm going to put this nut on. It's a 17 millimeter. So I'll show you once it's all on, and then I'll put the steering wheel on. So there you have it. I just tightened the 17 millimeter bolt for the hub adapter there. Then I've got the aftermarket quick release. So I just put that on. I'm just tightening up the Allen key screws there. And so for the why can't I think of it? The clock spring, here it is. I just removed it. I mean, I just wanted to get a basic aftermarket steering wheel, and for the use of this car, it's going to be most likely just track. So I just deleted it. So all those are bolted on. I'm going to put the steering wheel on for the satisfying click noise. So here's the steering wheel I went with. It's just like a basic dish wheel there. Just straight black. Nothing too special. I get the job done. So now I'm going to insert it for the very first time on the vehicle for the satisfying insert. Let's see here. Let's see if I can get a good angle here. It's hard to do it with one hand. Got one holding the camera. And I'm trying to fiddle around. Alright, just gonna put you guys over here. Go on. There. Here we go. Technical difficulties. It's not right. Alrighty. Well, that didn't go as planned. Not lined up. I'm gonna take off all these fucking Allen key bolts. Because it only clicks on one way. I put it on wrong. A little trial and error. I didn't know that the quick release adapter, when you bolt it on, you have to line it up where it clicks on the steering wheel, so then you got your steering wheel straight. Trial and error. So this is the first official click in. There you have it. And there you have it. Aftermarket steering wheel all installed. I think it looks sweet. I don't like the stock steering wheel. There we are. Alright, so a little update on the engine. I got it on the engine stand still. Tearing it down for the new parts to go on there. I've started with the intake manifold off. I've got all of the wiring that I'm not going to be using all stripped. There's the old intake manifold. Took the starter off. Some cooling lines. I took the all stuff that I'm not going to be using. I'm going to take off the old engine mounts for the front wheel drive setup that this engine was originally in, and now I'm going to take off the exhaust manifold. There you have it. Add it to the pile of stuff I don't need. It's starting to look naked. Don't need this. Replace that with a new gasket with my new exhaust manifold that's coming. I'm waiting on a couple other parts. I've got 3 out of 6 of my boxes in the conversion kit parts, and then I can start putting them on. I still have to get I need to get an I'm gonna be getting an aftermarket clutch, and as soon as I get that, then I can start putting everything on, and I can mount the engine in. Alright, so I'll go over some of the KPower conversion kit components that have arrived. I'm going to show you guys what has showed up. So first, with the KPower 8.6 aluminum flywheel. Nice and shiny. Pretty stoked about. My intake manifold conversion for rear wheel drive showed up. Got a gasket, some hardware, and then got the This is the K20 Type S oil pump. With the kit, it comes with a new chain. And over here we've got the 8.6 throttle body adapter. You show it up. And here's the solid mount aluminum drive shaft. In the kit, or in the conversion, it sets the engine back, it sets it back about 4 inches. So it's a little bit shorter. It's solid, other than the two-piece drive shaft that the FRS comes stock. The transmission mounts, as well as the engine mounts as well. I'll show you some more pieces here. Pretty solid material. Get the K24AQ engine mounted properly into the FRS. Also got the KPower Industries fuel rail. And the fuel kit comes with a specialty tool to pin one of the connectors in the fuel pump, and yeah, to make the swap work. Pretty stoked that these parts finally showed up. Waiting on one more box to show up, and then I gotta order that 8.6 clutch, the aftermarket clutch, and then I can put the engine in. But also need to order the electrical side of things, and then I can get a tune and get this procedure all finished. Well, that wraps it up for today's video. Hopefully I can get the things moving, get things all installed, and get my car back on the road. Start sliding it. Yeah, so like, subscribe, share some love, and maybe the next video I'll do a little review on the BMW X1 twin turbo. But stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.